So now we are talking about what do managers do. We are talking about the basic management functions that are being suggested by Henry Fayol, and these four functions are actually the main essential tool that the managers have in their hand while they are performing the management roles, or they are in the management practice. So these are the most important aspect of management that you have to understand, and you should be very clear with each of the function because it has its own significance. Number one, if we talk about what is planning, the planning means defining goals, establishing strategies to achieve goals, developing plans to integrate and coordinate activities. See, in simpler term, if I talk about what is plan is a roadmap that where organization wants to go. If there is no roadmap, there is no destination. So we have to make sure in the planning phase that being a manager, if we are planning something, so it means that we should be very clear with the plans and goals and strategies which we have to formulate in order to see where we are looking forward to reach. It's a roadmap that's going to give us the guidance that where we are located. Second thing is organizing. What does organizing means? It means arranging and structuring work to accomplish organizational goal. It means that who has to perform the task, what task is to be performed, which department is liable for doing certain activities, etc., etc. Means arranging and structuring work to accomplish, identifying that which work is critical, who has to do which work, who is responsible for completing the task, who will manage, all of these activities. That's assigning tasks to others is known as organizing. Then we are having leading. What does leading means now? Working with and through people to accomplish goals, sorting out the problems of humans, motivating them if they required, guiding them that if they are facing any sort of issue, any sort of problem, how to motivate them, how to train them, and look after their morale, that they should be like so much motivated that they can be productive at workplace. So this is the part of leading. Then we are having controlling. Controlling means getting back to the track, monitoring, comparing and correcting work. For example, that if you are supposed to do something, you are supposed to make sales of 10,000 in a month, but you were not able to make those 10,000 sales. So we have to look forward at controlling aspect, that why we went out of the track, why we are not able to achieve the goal. We have to monitor, we have to compare our target, actual performance with the performance that were planned, and then we have to make some corrective measures. So controlling means coming back to the track. Accidentally, if we miss the track, if we are not able to perform well, so controlling is a process that help us to monitor and to look forward that how we have to bounce back, and how which corrective measures were required to take, and how we can manage things now. So controlling has its own significance.